Have you ever met someone who just fixes everything? Your phone stops working, they fix it. There's a problem in a group, they solve it. Something feels off in a conversation, they somehow know exactly what to say. And after a while, you start thinking, how do they always know what to do? But here's the interesting part. People like this aren't just naturally good at fixing things. There's a psychology behind it. Because being the person who fixes everything usually comes from something deeper. Let's break it down. 1, they're highly observant. They notice small details most people ignore. A tiny change in someone's tone, a slight delay in a reply, a pattern that doesn't quite add up. While others see the situation on the surface, they're already connecting the dots underneath. It's like everyone else is watching the movie, and they're reading the script. 2, they're problem-focused, not drama-focused. When something goes wrong, most people react emotionally first. But these people, their brain goes straight to, okay, how do we fix this? It's not that they don't feel emotions. They just don't get stuck in them. It's like when everyone is arguing, and they're the one quietly looking for a solution. 3, they've experienced a lot. This one people don't talk about much. Many fixers didn't learn this skill for fun. They learned it because they had to. Maybe they grew up in situations where they had to figure things out on their own, solve problems early, or take responsibility before they were ready. So over time, problem-solving became automatic, not a talent, a survival skill. 4, they like control, not in a negative way, but in a I feel better when things make sense kind of way. Fixing problems gives them a sense of stability because chaos feels uncomfortable. So when something is unclear, broken, or messy, their instinct is to organize it, solve it, fix it. It's like mentally cleaning a room that feels too cluttered. 5, they struggle to leave things alone. Even when something isn't their responsibility, they feel the urge to step in. See a problem? Fix it? Hear a complaint? Solve it? Notice tension? Try to smooth it out. Sounds helpful, right? But sometimes it becomes exhausting, because not everything needs fixing, and not every problem is theirs to carry. 6, they're good at understanding people. They can read emotions, intentions, and unspoken signals. So when something goes wrong, they don't just look at the situation, they look at the people involved. They ask themselves, what is this person really feeling? What's actually causing this? And that's why their solutions often work, because they fix the root, not just the surface. 7, they often forget about themselves. When you're always focused on fixing everything around you, you don't always stop and ask, what about me? They give advice, support, solutions, but rarely take the time to process their own feelings. It's like being everyone else's problem solver, but your own problems stay in the background. Now here's the truth. Being someone who can fix things is a powerful skill. You bring clarity where there's confusion, solutions where there's chaos, but it comes with a responsibility to know when to step in and when to step back. Because you don't have to fix everything, and you're not responsible for every problem you see. So if you're someone who always knows how to fix things, maybe it's not just intelligence, maybe it's awareness, experience, and the way your mind has learned to understand the world. Just don't forget. Sometimes the smartest move is knowing when not to fix anything at all.